Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
The following data are obtained when dinitrogen and dioxygen react together to form different compounds. So we have four compounds which only contain nitrogen and oxygen. First compound contains 14 gram of nitrogen and 16 gram of oxygen. Second compound contains 14 gram of nitrogen and 32 gram of oxygen. Then 28 and 32, 28 and 80. What is the question? Which law of chemical combination is obeyed by the above experimental data? You can clearly see that four different compounds are formed from same set of elements. Correct, right? By the combination of nitrogen and oxygen, you can see four different compounds are formed. Then which law? It is law of multiple proportion. Correct? Before moving to the statement, first I will explain you how the data given in the table satisfy the law of multiple proportion. For that purpose, fix the mass of one of the element. We can take dinitrogen. So we are going to fix the mass of dinitrogen as 14 gram. Okay, and we are going to compare the mass of dioxygen. Now check the first compound. You can see that it is already 14 gram, right? And you can see that 16 gram of dioxygen is combining with 14 gram of dinitrogen. So 16 gram of oxygen. Second case, again 14 gram, that is our fixed value, right? 14 gram is our fixed value. Now check how much oxygen is there, 32. Okay, now for the third compound, see it is 28 gram, but what is our fixed value, 14. So make it half, right? 14 is the half of 28. So what is the half of 32? It becomes 16. Clear? Now again 28 gram for the fourth compound. So you make it half, that is 14. So 80 also you have to make it half. What is that? 40. Correct? Now to find the simple whole number ratio, divide with 8 all these numbers. So 16 divided by 8 is 2. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 40 divided by 8 is 5. So what you are getting? 2 is to 4 is to 2 is to 5. So that is a simple whole number ratio, right? So what we did, we fixed the mass of one of the element and then compare the mass of the other element. If you are getting a simple whole number ratio, you can say that it satisfies law of multiple proportion. Law of multiple proportion. And what is the statement of that? When two elements combine to form more than one compound, the different masses of one element, here it is oxygen, that combine with the fixed mass of other element, here it is nitrogen, are in the ratio of simple whole numbers. Remember, here the law is law of multiple proportion, and this is a statement for that. Okay, this is the statement.